That to Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Anyway, thanks to Shania Kiana for helping me. Even the Duterte supporters for helping me to reprimand Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Because his parents should reprimand him. Like for example, I've been told by Ate Rona at the time. She said to me, wag ka na mag-comment, wag ka na mag-post sa Instagram, like she said. At least Ate Rona is just like my mom. Oh, my mom says to me, don't post, don't comment in Facebook. Oh, like this imbecile Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, he posted against Rodrigo Duterte an F word. Why does he say an F word? Where did he get this mouth word that he used a F word? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, if I want to tell you something, Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. Alright? Because I know you always post about political. You and your ally name Teacher Alexander Pagkainawan, Nino Bersaga, Romeo TV Vlog, even Sangkay Janjan, including Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo. Just because, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you're posting nonsense. Alright? Enough about nonsense. Have mercy to the President Rodrigo Duterte. He's very sick. He's very sick because he has diabetes. For me, I never want to harass Teacher May because she has colon cancer. I don't want to harass Devin Brew because he has diabetes in the US. Because I don't want to get them died. Oh, because this is my fault. Oh, if I were say to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you know, you know, you need to stop posting nonsense. Either like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents because he's making a bomb joke over at Joseph Maspinas and Jerick Silva. But Teacher May had already reprimanded Paulo Cruzada. She told it to her parents that he will never use Facebook. Oh, he will never use Instagram because he was being reprimanded by his parents. But the parents of Mark Cruz did not reprimand him. They didn't give him disciplinary action. That's why I heard that Mark Cruz as making sibling rivalry with his brother. He hurt his brother because I know he is wrong. Oh, that's why Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, if you don't listen to your family members, if you don't listen to your parents, you need to show your consequence. Show your consequence that you are wrong. For example, Bill Galang, he was wrong. He hurt his brother. Oh, he was wrong. Me, I was wrong also. For what I did to Ate Dina, I made a fake account in Facebook. Ate Mel had contact with my mom in cell phone, in messenger, and I was wrong that I made a fake account, and I apologize Ate Dina. And I made the YouTube video. When I made a fake account of Teacher May, I apologize to Teacher May that she is very sick. She has a colon cancer, stage 3. Oh, my mom reprimanded me. I know I was very wrong. You are wrong, Mark Cruz. You should not blame anyone. You should not blame Juan Carlo Pabale. You should not blame Ryan Cruz Lucero. You should not blame anybody. Wawel Romero says, you are wrong. If I were say to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, in my YouTube video, you need to stop criticizing. That's all.